Hey everyone, I just wanted to do my first unboxing video. I've never done one of these before, but I'm pretty sure I know what's in this box and I'm so excited. So let's open it up, and I'm hoping that this is my Coach Rogue 25 in a beautiful color red. And I shouldn't have bought it. But when I saw it, I was actually hunting for a new Rogue, and I found some great deals last week. I found my first Coach Rogue 30 for an amazing price, $125 for a 30. White with divots around the border, really, really nice. The handle is a little messed up though, because a dog did get at it. I didn't ask the seller specifically, but I'm pretty sure that's what happened. But a nice little twilly, nice scarf will fix that. But I really, really was looking for something special, something unique, and I really, really wanted another 25 because that's my favorite size, because I'm small and they just carry better on someone like me. At least I think. So, here we go. It's definitely it, because look at that. It's poking out at me. It's peeking. And I got this on Mercari. Popped up, and as soon as I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to have this, but I shouldn't need to have it, and I want it. Do I really need it? Blah, blah, blah. It was such a mental, mind game, and then finally I'm like, I'm getting it. Come home to mom. She did a great job packaging it. Nice bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. I'll save that bubble wrap. Even bubble wrap here. For the strap. Bubble wrap for the strap. Oh my gosh. Just already. Look at that color. Red. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And it's brand new with tags on it as well. So, super excited. And she even wrapped the hang tag. Just keep that protected. That was a good idea. Yeah, come on up. So pretty. And voila! Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's got the tag still on it. And its shape is kept really well. There's not any sag to it whatsoever. Like, so you know how sometimes you see some online and they're already sagging at the end there or at the top. No sag. Turn this around. Oh my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside is like a darker suede interior. What do you call that? Oxblood, I guess. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a really nice color. And I like the darker interior because that way, if I do get a little nick here and there with a pen, hopefully not, but with anything, it won't show up as much. Nice packaging, nice filling in the middle. A little freshener there. care cards, always nice to have. There's the beautiful interior. Nice slip pocket, snap pocket there. Nice zipper pocket right there. Oh, I'm in love. It's beautiful. Now, let's put these straps on. And try her on, shall we? I am now in, coach jail. Coach purse jail. No more coaches. No more purses for a while after this one. Actually, I'm trying to sell some now to make up for this one. This one was a little pricey for me. I found her for $4.30, but I had made a sale on Mercari and had a $100 credit, so it ended up being $3.30. And then I used Klarna, which is one of those payment like assistant things where you can pay it off over time. So I just went with that so I could get her. Look at that, awesome. And see, even the 25s look a little bit big on me, so that was why I always was a little concerned with the 30s being too big. Let's see if I can hold this so you can see it better. So pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And red is one of my favorite colors to wear when I go out on my casual days when I'm not at work. So this is gonna go with a lot of stuff. I have some really cute Coach sandals, like wedge sandals with flowers on it, like those leather flowers. And this will match it quite nicely. So can't wait to put that outfit together. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing. And I'm gonna go lotion this baby up. That's what I always like to do, is grab my Apple lotion, and it's kind of how I say hello to the bag, you know what I mean? Like, I really look at all the detail, look at all the grooves, the fine details, and just give her a nice lotion, show her some love before we bring her out and show her off. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yay, Coach Vogue 25 in red. And I'm sure there's like a specific color red. Let me see here. Ruby red. Makes sense, right? All right, well, thanks so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first unboxing video of mine, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.